Receiving incoming transmission. Comlink established.
Hey, what's up, man? Got your refugees tucked in nice and tight? Provided you can sidestep any more surprises from our Confederate friends and we can keep them away from those critters, they should have an easy time.
Priority alert. Backwater Station under attack by unknown alien organisms. Distress beacon activated at 0658. Alerting Confederate headquarters on Tarsonis. Stand by for incoming transmission.
We've already received the distress beacon from Backwater, and we'll take care of it. You just sit tight. You'll be notified if there's anything we think you need to know.
Damn! Listen, if we wait for Confederate reinforcements, that station's dust. I'll head out there now and do what I can. You send in some militia, and we'll save those folks. Trust me. Glad to see you, boys. Time to kick some serious butt.
Not enough minerals.
I read you. Anytime you're ready. Jacked up and good to go. Outstanding. This is Jimmy. Sounds fun. Standing by. Let's move. Good to go, sir. Raynor here. This should be good. Sounds fun. Right on. Jacked up and good to go. Reporting for duty. Yes, sir. This is Jimmy. Right on. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. SCP, good to go, sir. This should be good. I read you. This is Jimmy. SCP, good to go, sir. This should be good. Sounds fun. Right on. Oh, yeah. Right on. Good to go, sir. This should be good. Sounds fun.
Your forces are under attack.
Oh, yeah. Right on. I read you. Roger that. Go ahead, Commander. Sounds fun. Standing by. Reporting for duty. Orders received. I read you. Roger that. Raynor here. Right on. This should be good. SCP good to go, sir. Standing by. Go, go, go. Yes, sir. Roger that.
Your forces are under attack.
Right on. Oh, yeah. SCP good to go, sir. Looks like the ground there is alive. Sounds fun. This should be good. Right on. SCP good to go, sir. This should be good. Right on. I read you. Standing by. Anytime you're ready. These things have been out here a while, but they could be pretty useful.
Thanks for the rescue. We've been holed up in these bunkers for days hiding from the Zerg.
Need a light.
SCP good to go, sir.
Raynor here.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir. Yes, sir.
Fired up. Anytime you're ready.
SCP good to go, sir.
Raynor here. This should be good. Right on. This should be good. Right on. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. Right on. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. Yeah. That should be good. You got my attention. Raynor here. Sounds fun. Oh, yeah. Orders, Captain? Yes. Anytime. Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun. Oh yeah. Right on. This should be good. Oh yeah. Sounds fun. This should be good.
Job finished.
Right on. Oh yeah. This should be good. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Right on. Oh yeah. Raynor here. This is Jimmy. Oh yeah. This should be good. Oh yeah. This should be good. Right on.
Orders, Captain? I read you. Affirmative. Right away, sir. Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain? Roger that.
This is Jimmy.
Reporting for duty. Roger that. Right away, sir. Affirmative.
Anytime you're ready.
SCV good to go, sir. Right away, sir. I
Your
read you.
forces are under
Right away,
attack.
sir. SCV good to go, sir.
Here.
Reporting for duty. SCV good to go, sir.
Want to turn up the heat. Raynor here. Right on.
SCV good to go, sir.
Sounds fun. Raynor here.
SCV good to go, sir.
This is Jimmy. Sounds fun. Go ahead, Commander. This is Jimmy. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Yeah. Sounds fun. This should be good. Right on. This should be good. Anytime you're ready.
Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain? Orders received.
Anytime you're ready. Oh yeah. Sounds fun. Oh yeah. Anytime you're ready. Right on. Sounds fun. This should be good. Sounds fun. Oh yeah.
Your forces are under attack.
My attention. Got it. Go ahead, Commander. This should be good. Right on. This should be good. Sounds fun. Got my attention. Oh yeah. This should be good. Yes. Raynor here.
Orders received. Affirmative.
Fired up. This is Jimmy. This should be good. Oh yeah. Sounds fun. This should be good. Sounds fun. Right on.
Orders, Captain? Orders received. Reporting for duty. Yes, sir. Roger that. Right away, sir. I read you. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Roger that. Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain? Orders received.
Receiving incoming transmission.
Marshal Raynor, by destroying the vital Confederate installation, you and your men have violated standing colonial law. As of right now, you're all under arrest. I suggest you throw down your weapons and come peaceably.
Are you out of your mind? If we hadn't burned that damn factory, this entire colony could have been overrun.
Maybe if you hadn't taken your sweet time in getting here.
Now, I asked you nice the first time, boy. I didn't come here to talk with you. Now throw down them weapons.
Guess you wouldn't be a Confederate if you weren't a complete piece